coming at you with my first video for 2020. I've been getting a lot of requests on how I designed this chair, so stay tuned while I show you how I created this look. So Royals, you're going to need the following items to create this look. Any flowers of your choice. Right here I have the hydrangea and roses, different shades. And you can get your roses or hydrangeas, you can check on Amazon, your local floral shop. We have the zip tie, we can also purchase at any dollar store, any craft store, like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And you need the scissors. Everybody has the scissors, right? But if you don't, you can purchase it at a dollar store or any of your craft stores. To design this look, I have here a floral sausage foam. And here we have the brick foam. And so we attach the brick foam onto the chair at the top. And we also push the zip tie. We put, it's just a thicker one. We pull it up here and we put it to tighten it, to keep it in place. Okay. And then the floral sausage foam. This one here is for the dry flowers, or fake flowers. And you're just going to wrap it around the chair like this. It's going to create a little bit of a mess, so you can add some sort of covering over your chair. All we did was we're wrapping it around the birdcage chair. And you got to be very careful, guys, because it could be delicate. And like what I said before, you can cover the chair with something so it won't messy. Okay? So you can do this look, it all depends, or if you want it to go a little bit longer, you can just leave it at the side and then add your zip tie at the very bottom, like so. Now guys, I use fake flowers for this look because depending on the client you have, you don't know the allergies, and the fake flowers, they're more sturdy. If this was a real rose, the rose head might fall off if they sit on it and so on. So I decided to use fake flowers for this design. Okay, so now you start inserting the artificial flowers inside of the sausage foam. So if you're going to use a sausage foam for real flowers, you're just going to have to get a pail of water, put the sausage foam in the water. Don't push it down because you're going to produce air bubbles. Just put it in the water and let the water saturate into the foam. You'll see you'll see it because it'll have this heavy look and it'll actually be a dark green. Just pull it out, and please be sure to cover your chair and then wrap it around the same way that I demonstrated for this look, okay? Now you can use any color flowers of your choice. And any flower of your choice. I like to mix my flowers because it gives it a nice texture, gives it a nice look. And also the flowers come in a bunch. I just cut them according to size. If you're not familiar with flowers, or if you've never used fake flowers before, I suggest that you cut as you go on. You just cut the flowers. I pre-cut them because I know exactly the style that I'm looking for. Okay. We also have our floral scissors that you can use. Makes cutting a lot easier too if you don't have sharp scissors. You guys might see my dog walking back and forth. He wants to be a part of this video. You could create a pattern. There really is no wrong or right way to do this. I decided to do this look because I've always seen the cage chair and it just looked very boring. And so I decided to design this look for a client that I had. Because she liked the chair so much, but she wanted a different look, so I decided to add flowers. So we're almost finished this design, but I just want you guys to know that if you want to extend the look, go all the way down to the ground, you can simply attach additional sausage foam. Right, it comes in a link. You can attach it and let it touch the ground. You can add the flowers cascading right down. You can give it a more cascade look. Okay, I just left it like this, just so it's not interfering with the feet. If you're just using this for a photo shoot purpose and you just want to have it in your display, you can definitely cascade it to the floor so it looks really lush. But if you're using it for actual event, just be mindful that person can hurt themselves if you have the cascade really long. So we're just filling the areas here that didn't have flowers. Just about done. So once you get started, you'll tend to get the hang of it. It's not a hard design to do. It's just getting your floral sausage foam and attaching it on to your cage chair and just getting that look that you want. And you can always take it off and redesign it according to how you want it to look. So now this is a part where you can add any decal to the chair. You can add more leaves if you're doing a garden look. You can also add your butterflies, color of your choice again. These I got at the Dollar Tree and they were 2 in a pack or 1 in a pack for $1. I'm not exactly sure, but I know I got them at Dollar Tree. And you can just add them in your chair just to give it some character. Royals, this design will look amazing for any event. Birthday parties, anniversary, any event you're having, you can add this chair to your design. The chair is all done. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. You have your butterflies cascading. It's all done. So now, Royals, I'm going to show you how I incorporate this beautiful look in my events. gonna add some bunches of roses to this table design. This look that I designed for you guys. Leave your comment below and let me know what other video you'd like me to do for you. And turn on that notification bell, like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all social media at Event Queen. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye.